Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing hardware and power so the unit records reliably. First, insert a Class 10 micro SD card and format it in camera. This prevents file errors. Next, plug the power cable into the cigarette adapter or hardwire kit and confirm the dash cam shows a charging icon. Once done, attach the mount to the windshield at eye level for a 16:9 framing. Press firmly so it won't fall. Make sure firmware is visible on startup. Then proceed to basic settings. Now you configure how the camera records and protects clips. You should choose 1080p for balance or 1440p if you need extra detail. Higher resolution uses more space. Enable loop recording and pick 1, 3, or 5-minute segments so old files overwrite automatically. This keeps your card from filling. Activate the G-sensor to lock impact files, enable parking mode for motion events, and turn on GPS to embed speed and coordinates. Once set, test a short drive recording to confirm. Finish by validating everything with a short 5-minute test drive. Check framing, audio clarity, and timestamp alignment. Then connect via the companion app or mount the card in a PC to inspect saved clips and metadata, because playback proves configuration. If recordings fail, first reformat the micro SD card in camera, then update the dash cam firmware. If problems persist, swap the card for a known good micro SD. This troubleshooting sequence fixes most issues quickly and gets you back on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.